Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video. What's going on? As you guys saw in my last video, we have the taillights installed, which is super dope. I really like them a lot. I'm gonna show you guys what they look like right now. All right, so parked a little funny, but you know, just to show you guys one more time. Damn, I love the startup with these. So this is just what happens when you unlock it, which is dope. And then these lights actually stay on while you're driving, which is dope. They're different than the brake lights. So we are actually headed to a shop that's actually gonna help me, or I'm gonna help them, I guess, test fit some products that they may be creating in the near future. And hopefully it's really good quality. So pretty excited for that. We're gonna be heading to the shop that I'm talking about. It's called Aura. It's actually run by Johnny, and Johnny was actually the main vinyl wrapper at Premium Auto Styling. I know a lot of you guys are familiar with their work, so he actually branched off and did his own thing. We spoke on the phone, and he said come on through. So we're gonna head there right now, and I'll see you guys when we get there. Again, we're on our way to Aura Performance. They are in San Gabriel. I'll put their Instagram down below so you guys can check them out. Hope you guys enjoyed the last vlog. You can't hate these taillights. I don't care, like they're so sick. Super hyped to be one of the first ones with them on the car too. Sorry Johnny, I know I'm running a little bit late. It's just there's so much traffic. Woo. Here they are. Let's go, we made it. Damn, you guys. Clean as, no, that's RS, I think. No, is that Johnny's? I don't know. I know he posted one recently. We'll have to look for it. But got my car, the back car over there. And damn, this shit's clean too.
We did the flamethrower kit on this one. So I don't know if you want to come out on YouTube or not, but he's a vlogger and you want to do the flamethrower.
Yeah, bro. The wheels are dope. Give it a follow. Damn. Jeez. See what he can show us. My bad, I accidentally knocked that over. I just installed the taillights too, so if you want to check. I haven't even posted. Well, I just posted today about them, but.
Yo, that's crazy. Yo, Terry, come look at these taillights. He just bought those too. They're very similar.
Oh yeah?
So
Yeah. What's going on, man? Mark.
They're so sick, bro. I love how they fade in.
Dude.
Way better.
You just installed yours too?
Yeah.
Just today?
Last week.
Oh, okay. I just did mine last night, so.
Those are aftermarket too? Or are they stock on it?
Yeah, so they're supposed to be the so they came on the M4 GTS.
Okay, yeah, I've seen them.
But they're like $8,500 from factory. Yeah, so then
Okay,
for the pair, and then the company. So this company like made their own pair.
Oh, okay, that's sick.
Oh my god! Oh shit! Damn, y'all better follow after that. God damn.
Drive safe, bro.
Later, man. Damn. So you guys did that?
Yeah, so that's obviously a tune, right?
Yeah.
But
Oh my
the
God.
kit, we installed it. So
That's insane.
that's my first time seeing it since we installed it. But man, I cannot hear, dude.
Oh my god. Yeah, you're right about the chest, dude. That hit me in the
I
chest.
felt that in my soul, bro.
Damn.
Anyway, bro.
What's going on, bro?
Nice to meet you. Johnny, by the way.
Johnny, yes.
Rapper here at Aura Performance. We're here to see what carbon pieces we have.
Yes,
Something
sir.
we can take home today. Let's take a look.
So yeah, I'm gonna put his personal Instagram and then also the shop's Instagram. So you guys can check him out. But yeah, we're gonna test fit some stuff on the car. Hopefully everything fits smoothly.
Dude, this interior
And
is
yeah,
nice.
get into it. Yeah. It's cool though. I mean, it is gonna be like a hassle to clean later, but I did buy some stuff to help with that. But
why don't you get it ceramic coated?
yeah, they have stuff for the leather, but at the time when I was picking up the car, BMW was trying to offer me that stuff, but you know, it's extra money. So I was like, I'll see what I can do on my own. And then, I mean, it was funny. Yesterday, I was just cruising on PCH, and I finally ran into another M3 in this color. And we were both like super hyped. It was so funny. Yeah, he was just like, yeah, what's up, man?
Hell yeah, dude. This thing is sick. Let's go see what we got.
Yeah, that's fun. You want me to pull it in?
Yes. Yeah.
Okay. All right. We're gonna pull the car in right here, and Johnny's gonna bring out some parts to test fit. All right, so yeah, let's see how this goes. You guys can check out the shop. It's a pretty big shop. Looks real nice. But again, he's gonna be opening another one in downtown LA. So definitely when he has that grand opening, I'll be posting about it and letting you guys know the exact address and everything. But yeah, they do it all here.
Do we have any others?
Damn.
So supposedly, does that fit?
These can fit too.
Yeah, it fits. But this is one of the styles we have that has a little fin on the side.
Yeah, that's sick. Yeah, it sucked, man. Getting the other side skirts and then having them cracked through shipping. It was just like.
Were they similar to those or?
No, they were like a certain style. Okay. They're called PSM. And PSM makes that style, but then all these knockoffs, you know, not knockoffs, but you know, people are trying to remake that idea. Yeah.
Yeah. So basically, there was a company called Carbon Addicts, and they went under. So we just decided, hey, we'll help you guys out. We'll buy you guys a stock.
Okay.
And that's kind of what we're doing, but obviously we're kind of working reverse because now we're trying to figure out what parts fit on what.
Gotcha.
It's better.
Ooh, yeah.
And then
that's what I love about white cars is that you could do any wheels and they look fire.
Yes.
Yeah, that's trippy.
it literally
Got the
works
same
exact
type of
way.
design.
It works the exact same way, and then it does the fade in too, you know.
It does that too?
Yeah, you
damn, yeah, do that. That's insane.
Yeah, so these are the turn signals up here. And
Oh yeah. Damn, that's crazy. Yeah, that's sick. Oh, what? That's sick, dude. Yeah, because when I saw those for my car, I was just like, those are hard, but that's crazy that they already have these for this car too.
Yeah, these are not a big brand, so not a lot of cars have these. These are really only sold on eBay.
Okay.
But they don't really condensate. They're like pretty solid in my opinion so far.
All right, you guys. So just finished talking with Johnny. Yeah, we're gonna be coming back, and he'll have some parts for me so I can throw them on the car. He's gonna help install those, so I'll definitely be back with them, and we'll finish this vlog hopefully this week. Sheesh. Welcome back, you guys. We're actually gonna be looking at side skirts for the car and not mirror caps. I thought we were gonna do mirror caps, but they didn't have any in stock, so we're going with the side skirts and then a new trunk spoiler. I really like this one from factory. This one's the M Performance one. It's really dope. It's really clean. It's a good size, but I was looking for something a little bit more aggressive. So I was looking into getting a high kick spoiler. So we'll check that out. And hopefully we can get that on the car today as well. Yeah, let's get into it. I'll update you guys as soon as we get there. Damn. So Johnny just pulled my car in. He's gonna have one of his tech guys go ahead and fit the side skirts. So we'll take a look at those. Also, like I said, they're gonna be removing my current CF spoiler and putting on the high kick trunk spoiler. So excited to see what it looks like from the rear. Yeah, I caught you slipping though. You're not aired out. We used to always joke with buddies like that.
Bro,
Be like, you parked and didn't even air out?
Because back cars always look like trash when they're all fully aired up.
So if you guys don't know, you probably don't know because he hasn't even revealed his color yet. I'll have to ask him for permission, see when I can post this. But damn, he already started his new wrap color. What's the color called?
Piggy bank.
Piggy bank. Damn, Steven got a sick name.
See, I might not, but I want to change my license plates to piggy bank.
That'll be sick. So we just picked up this RS coming from an ST. Does it feel like it has a lot more power than an ST?
Well, my ST was pretty modded. But the reason why I wanted this one is just literally like 4-wheel drive. All-wheel drive is just, it was just something that I've always wanted.
Oh yeah, that's right. I forgot that these are all-wheel drive. I forgot about that. Oh yeah, he's working on the bumper already. So this will be the first one with this color? You know anybody else with it?
Yeah.
Oh, first Focus for sure.
First Focus, and I don't think there's anybody in the States with this color. Oh, there is one person, but it's a 350Z. Very different.
Damn, hopefully nobody knows about that one. Can't wait to see it finished. And we already up on Jack. Alright, so sheesh. Just gotta make sure it lines up pretty good. Sheesh.
You guys are good at that?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Damn. Salvage title now.
Because you got people that just like to fucking talk, you know? So.
Can you bring it out more?
Yes.
Okay. Yeah, that looks good right there.
Right there?
Yeah.
Right there?
Yeah, that looks clean.
For sure.
That's my final answer. That looks good right there. Sender till you ender. If anything, I can always add another splitter. And then another one after that one.
Then you'll definitely be minus 10 horsepower.
Cool.
Damn. Hell yeah. I actually really like this fin.
Got the Carbondo.
Hey, you just
I'm racing everybody on the way home, baby.
All of a sudden he has a 1320 sticker. Smash it on the side. Nobody.
Hell yeah, they look sick. Damn, baby.
Hey, bro.
We gotta get that lip next, man.
Fucking side screen just fucking beat me. What the fuck, bro?
Damn, who installed his side skirts? That fool beat me. That arrow. He's more aerodynamic than me now. Damn, baby. Sheesh. That shit looks dope. I really like it. Damn. Once I lower the car too, it's gonna look really dope too. Full carbon.
Los empiezan.
Other side is done. Yeah.
So yeah, like even your
Another piece of the puzzle.
even your
Yeah.
antenna, like for me to take that off, that's silicone down.
Oh yeah.
So I can't just go underneath and pop the headliner and take that off. I literally have to cut that off. Which we do it all the time.
Because I've seen people use like fish wire.
That's what I'm saying. If
Yeah.
it is silicone, then that's what we're gonna have to do. We're gonna have to get fishing lines and try to do it.
So right now, Johnny, we figured out that this is only held on by 3M.
We think.
We think. So he's gonna send it and hopefully get this thing off and get the other one on. Fingers crossed. I'll probably put on, like I said, I'll probably put the M Performance lip back on so it flows. Because I know it'll probably look weird with just the side skirts, especially that I don't have a diffuser either. So that is to come. Yeah, slowly but surely, she is looking nice. All right, you guys, so fortunately we weren't able to get this guy off. Like BMW like super glued the shit out of it. Nah, they just use 3M, but it's really hard to get off. And there's some other type of, what is it like?
Yeah, so we're just gonna wait till we got the right tools to
Yeah.
take it off, and once we get those things, we just schedule a time. We'll get it.
Yeah, so I'll show you guys in due time what the new spoiler is going to look like, but it's going to make it look way more aggressive in the rear. Hit up Oro Performance for any installs, any work you guys may need. Man, these carbon fiber splitters or side skirt extensions look super dope on the car. Again, hit them up. Hit up Johnny. I'm going to put his Instagram in the description. Really cool dude. He'll help you guys out with any installs or any advice you guys may need. All right, you guys, so yeah, finally leaving the shop. Like I said, the side skirts are on the car. Just wasn't able to put on the rear spoiler. It's all good. I still have one on the car. It's not like it's naked in the rear now. But yeah, Just needed some stronger tools to get it off. It's really on there, you guys. So anybody else with a F80 with a factory carbon spoiler, be careful taking it off. Another mod checked off the list. So stay tuned and let me know down below what other parts I should throw in the car. Thanks for tuning in. Peace out, guys.